Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video I'll show you how I made this simple beautiful mini skirt. Please relax as we get started. So guys, this is the fabric I'll be using to make the skirt. Why that is a Duchess fabric. Yes, I'll be using it for the band of the skirt. So guys, I don't really know the name of this fabric. Seriously, I just love it. The day I went to market, I saw it and I had to purchase it. So that is it. As you can see, I've gone ahead to fold it. I folded it into 4 parts. That's because we'll be cutting the back and front together. So as you can see, that side facing me is entirely closed. That's because it's not going to have any zipper at the back of the skirt. The zipper will be by the side. Yes, the zipper will be by the side. And for this fabric, it's not really aligning. It's not equal. So I'll have to look for the shortest part to mark it there. So that's why I started my measurement from the down part of the skirt to actually know where my starting point will be. And for the down part of the skirt, it's not going to have any folding allowance. That's because it has this finished look, like we call it English mouth. Yes, we call it English mouth. I don't know what you guys call it, but we call it English mouth. So that is how I'm going to leave the down part of the skirt after I'm done sewing. So I will just go ahead to mark my starting point. So that's where my measurements will start from. So I'll just go ahead to measure from the waist to the hip. So from the waist to the hip here with me, it's 8 inches. So I marked 8 inches and I'll connect that.
The next thing I will do is to start imputing the vertical measurement. So
the waist I'll be working with here is 28. So 28 divided by 4, it's 7 plus 1 inch for sewing allowance. I'm not going to be adding any ease allowance because this fabric is of stretchy. So I will just add just the sewing allowance. So for the hip here, we're working with hip measurement of 34. So 34 divided by 4, it's 8.5. I added 1 inch sewing allowance. Like I said, I'm not going to be adding any ease allowance because the fabric itself is a bit stretchy. So whatever my hip gives me, I'll reduct 1 inch from it to mark the down parts of the skirt. So that is it. So the next thing is to connect the lines. So after I was done marking, the next thing I did was to cut. So this is the time for the cutting. So yeah, can you see that? So yeah, I'm done cutting. Can you see that? So I'll just open it up for you to see it. Can you see we're having 2 panels? That's the front and the back. So the next thing I need to do here is to just go over to my machine and then join the sides. I'll just join the sides. Remember, like I said, the zipper will be by the sides. It's not going to be by the back, but by the sides. So for the band, I just cut out the desired length which I need for the band. Then for the width, here with me is 6 inches. When it's on fold, it's going to be 3 inches. I'll use ½ inch to join it to the skirt. So finally guys, our skirt is ready and this is outcome of it. Can you see that? Can you see our zipper? It's by the side of the skirt. And that is all for this tutorial. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below so you'll be notified each time I upload any new video.